For each of us here at Dentsply Sirona, your trust in our products and solutions is a source of great pride and something we never take for granted. Each of our manufacturing facilities, like the one here in Switzerland, holds itself to a high quality standard that our customers and clinicians can count on. As an example, each year this facility alone conducts over 3 million individual quality inspection measurements. This ensures that we deliver safe and effective products every time. We also focus on continuous improvement and remain committed to putting our customers first. Currently, one of our key focus areas for continuous improvement is our customer experience. We aim to ensure that with each feedback we receive from you, we continue to improve our products, our services, and your overall experience with Dentsply Sirona. To this end, we are transforming our complaint management processes to be more efficient, effective, and ultimately more responsive. We're improving our new product development process to better include your feedback and incorporate these key learnings into our new product launches. And we have improved our market access processes in order to bring our innovations to you more rapidly.
Je suis fière de garantir la qualité de nos produits, car je sais qu'à travers mon travail, des professionnels dentaires du monde entier peuvent améliorer la vie de leurs patients.
Like Letitia said, our quality enables our customers to transform lives. Sometimes these are even lives of our friends and family. So for us, ensuring quality is personal. It begins with me, with each of us, and it's a promise to you, our customers, and our patients.